Hi guys, it's Cliff again, and today we are going to do something really interesting. We are going to replan an entire house. Right, so here we have the house, and it looks nice, but there's a problem. These are the views. Views are over here. And so, look at this. These are the bedrooms over here. The bedroom is all here. These are the little bedrooms. This is the main habitation principal. And here we have the saloon and the corridor. So you notice that all these service rooms are facing the views and the bedrooms are facing the driveway where the car is. Driveway. So this is not good to face. So, wait. Okay, half time. Now I understand that designing a house is not the easiest thing to do, so I recommend that you read a little bit before you begin. Here's a very good book recommendation, Feng Shui Modern by Cliff Tan. Now, designing a house and reading a book at the same time is also not the easiest thing to do. So very fortunately, my title also comes in an audiobook format on Audible. There it is! Feng Shui Modern! Now, Audible has many other titles other than Feng Shui Modern. Lots of titles, different genres, podcasts that you can listen to and enjoy as you design your dream home. Now, if you want to join me on Audible, head to audible.com/dearmodern or text Dear Modern to 500 for your free trial. Now, I would like to thank Audible for sponsoring this video. Right, let's get back to it. Back to the house. So, this is not a good plan. How is the best way to redesign it? Now, the tip is to actually cut out all these rooms so you can play around. And I'm going to do that right now. So here we have the house. You have the corridor, the salon, the cucina, the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, the entryway, the two bedrooms, the hallway, the pasillo, what is this? What is that despensa? I think it's pantry. This is the bathroom and utility rooms, and this is the bathroom, the walk-in closet, and the main primary bedroom. So with this, we also know that the views are over here, and this is the driveway. So like this, you can start to move the rooms around. Now what we want to know is that the views are all here, so it's better to put all the main rooms towards the view. So I'll move all the main rooms towards the view, the habitations, towards the view area. The living room should stay around here, so this is fine. But the kitchen, I'm thinking the kitchen can come around here so that it's in one straight line. So this is quite nice. These rooms, I will rotate it so it takes up a bit less space, like that. And then I can have my main bathroom and my walk-in closet over here. We want it to be a bit more compact. Then we have the common bathroom over here. So all the things are in one stack around here. And the vestibule will be over here. And after that, next to the kitchen, we are going to have our other service rooms, the utility room, the laundry room, all those kind of things over here and over here. Let me just see, vestibule, okay, like this. And then, let's plan this around. Yeah, I think this is quite nice, lavanderia. And then the sala de maquinas. And then the despensa. And our pasillo will be a different shape. It will be somewhere like this. So all the rooms will have views, and also I can make this a bit longer. So now we can have our bedrooms. The main bedroom is over here. The door will be here. Actually, let me just draw this properly with a marker. So suddenly, I have this amazing house with all the main rooms facing the fabulous views, all the bedrooms facing the views, the living room facing the views, a nice central hallway that connects to all the different rooms, a nice kitchen that also has the views, and all the M&E and the service areas connected to the driveway, so you can unpack, unload your things, load it straight into the pantry room, have the kitchen, have a nice foyer area. All these like facing the driveway is just all these ugly rooms, the bathroom, all these are frosted glass things. So very easily we are able to redesign this whole house house into a much better way and confirming that the size of the rooms have not changed. In fact, my bedrooms have become a little bit bigger and my pastillo has transformed from a long hallway into a nice central hallway area that kind of anchors the whole house. So now you know.